Hello, I'm Ryan with Setcom, here today to discuss the features, functions, and pairing procedures for the Liberator single person or SP headset. The Liberator SP is a headset designed to allow our user to communicate over both a two-way radio, a portable two-way radio, as well as most Bluetooth enabled cell phones. To use the headset, first you want to make sure the headset is in the on position by turning the volume knob on the right ear cup clockwise. You'll hear a click and a series of beeps letting you know the headset is on. You put the headset on. To use it with a two-way radio system, you'll have to order the necessary portable radio adapter cable or PRAC cable that goes along with your two-way radio. You connect it to the left ear cup and to the portable radio. To transmit over your portable radio's radio network, you press and hold the left PTT button for the duration of your transmission. Once you let go, the microphone turns off. To pair the headset with your cell phone, there is a little button here and a larger button on the bottom of the ear cup. You'll press and hold those buttons simultaneously until you hear a beep. After you hear the beep, you go to your cell phone, search for devices. You'll see the name Setcom appear. Click on that device. After a couple of seconds, you'll hear a series of beeps letting you know that you connected. Your phone may also prompt you to enter a code. The code is 0000. Again, that code is 0000. After entering the code, press enter, and then your phone will pair up with the headset. When receiving a call on your phone, you'll hear the phone ring inside the headset. Press this button once, it'll answer the call. And when you're done with your call, press the button again to end your call. The Liberator SP headset allows you to communicate over multiple devices, a cell phone and a two-way radio. When communicating, it allows you to communicate over both devices or monitor both devices at the same time. So you can be talking over your cell phone, but at the same time you can still hear radio communications. When you hear radio communications that you need to respond to, you press the left button here, transmit over the call. When this button is pressed, the audio that you're transmitting over the radio is not presented to the person on the cell phone. So it's a private response only over the radio network. Once you let go of the button, then the audio from your mouth going through the microphone will be presented back to the person on the other end of the cell phone call. For a close-up review of the Liberator SP or single person headset, again, the headset is a headset designed to allow our user to communicate both over a two-way radio system as well as have cell phone communications via their cellular phone. To connect the portable radio to your headset, you want to first make sure you have the appropriate portable radio adapter or PRAC cable for your portable radio. Attach it to your portable radio here, and then attach the PRAC cable to the left ear cup here. The button on the left ear cup will allow you to transmit through the microphone over your portable radio network. Please make sure to not only plug your charging device, whether it's the wall charger or an in-vehicle charger, into the power port, and make sure not to plug it into the portable radio adapter port on the side of the headset. Again, it's designed to work with most Bluetooth enabled cell phones. So we've tested this headset extensively to work on Android phones, iPhone, as well as BlackBerry devices. It will work on other devices, but may not work on all Bluetooth enabled cell phones. To pair the headset with your cell phone, you want to first make sure the headset is in the on position by turning the volume knob on the right ear cup clockwise. You'll hear a series of beeps. One tone means the headset is in an almost dead state. 2, it means it's about half charged. And 3 beeps will let you know that the headset's fully or almost fully charged. To begin the pairing procedure, there's two buttons on the right ear cup, a small one here on the top of the ear cup and a larger one here on the bottom of the ear cup. You'll want to press and hold these buttons simultaneously for about 3 seconds. You'll hear a beep letting you know the headset's in pairing mode. You also see a green blinking light here on the right ear cup. At that point in time, go to your cellular device, search for devices. You'll see Setcom appear. Select Setcom. Your device may ask you for prompt you for a code. The code is 0000. Again, that code is 0000. After entering it in, press enter and the two devices will establish a link together. You'll hear a double beep letting you know the two devices are connected. When receiving a call on your phone, the small button on the top of the right ear cup will allow you to answer your calls. So you'll hear the phone ring inside the headset. Press this button, it will receive the call. After you finish talking with that person, to hang up the call, press this button again and it will hang up the call. The headset allows you to manage both these devices simultaneously. So if you are having a cellular phone conversation, but you do hear something come over your radio network that you need to respond to, just simply press this left button here. It'll respond to the radio call. When this button is pressed, the voice that's presented to the microphone is not presented to the person on the other end of the cell phone call. Again, it is not presented to the person on the other end of the cell phone call. And once you let go, then the audio that's presented to the microphone is presented back to the person on the other end of the cellular phone call. And that is how you use your Liberator SP headset.